Today's question is, how do we size a drying system? We're going to do a simple drying system to dry material. The first thing we need to know is what temperature we're going to dry the material at. The next question is what throughput do we need to dry the material at. If you ask, for example, 10 kilos an hour throughput, and once we know and then we need to know the material. We're going to use an example today of ABS. It's a material that a lot of people use. We dry ABS at 80 degrees Celsius. We want to keep a throughput of 10 kilos per hour. We need to have the bulk density of the ABS. ABS has got a bulk density of around about 620 grams per litre. If we want to dry ABS for 3 hours, we need 10 kilos an hour. We need 30 kilos. So for 30 kilos, we divide that by 0.62, and then that gives us the volume of the drying hopper. So if we're looking at 10 kilos an hour, we need a minimum of, say, 60 litres. 60 litres will give us the right size drying bin. And then the last thing, we need to know exactly how much dry air we need. As a simple calculation, we need 2 cubic meters of dry air per kilo. This is a good mean which we can use for multiple drying systems. If we're talking about 10 kilos an hour, we need a dryer cabinet with a minimum of 20 cubic meters of dry air. This will give us exactly what we need. 20 cubic meters of dry air, 60 litre drying bin. This would be the right size for drying ABS at 10 kilos an hour. Don't forget, if you're asking for a dryer, you need to know what material it is, exactly what temperature you want the material dried at, what throughput you want to dry the material at, and if you know the bulk density of the material, that is the weight per litre, then we can calculate accurately the right dryer. I hope this really helps. Take care. After 35 years in the plastics industry, I'm sure I can help you. My name is Richard Kennett from Think Materials Management Limited. I look forward to answering your questions.